Myself, Falguni Patel from Andheri West Municipal English UPS, commonly known as Daudbagh School. Today we are going to learn a chapter from EVS 1, Standard 5th. Students, general instruction for you. Whenever you are asked to give answer, you can either raise your hand or you can write the answer in the chat box. So let us begin with the lesson. Value. We have heard this word many times. It has various meanings, such as price of something, something which is very important, etc. When we say the value of my mobile phone is rupees 25,000, here the word value means price of mobile. Or when we say, I really value my parents, here the word value means importance of parents. But when the word value is used in plural form, that is values, the meaning of word changes. The word values means beliefs that people have, especially about what is right and what is wrong, and what is most important in life, that control their behavior. Patience, forgiveness, kindness, respect, tolerance, equality, cooperation, honesty, compassion. These are some examples of values. Now, the teaching of these values begin in the family, and that is why they are known as family values. Today, we are going to learn about some of these values and their importance in our life in chapter Family Values. Students, we all live in a family and we all have a role to play in a family. So let's understand the importance of decision making in the family. Now, every person in a family is unique and has different likes and dislikes. Even thoughts and opinions can also differ. Even though there are differences within us, we still have bonding between each other. In family, before taking any decision, every member is consulted for the discussion. Now, this active participation in family discussion is always advantageous because during discussion, every member gets a chance to express his or her thoughts and opinions. Every aspect of the subject is thoroughly discussed. When opinions are valued, a family member feels that he or she is an important part of the family and feel closer to the family. So, children, everyone should play active role in the decision-making process in a family. Decision-making process to make decision that everyone agrees with. In this way, we are part of decision-making in the family. Now, just as we have a role in making decision in the family, we also have a role in public decision making. Now, let's see the statements. Citizens participate in municipal budget planning. Citizens to decide the matters on which to spend money. Citizens proud to suggest improvements to city development plan. Inauguration of road joining 6 villages. joint effort by 6 villages bears fruit. Now, these are examples where citizens have taken part in decision-making process in the society. Every day, various matters requiring public participation are brought to our knowledge through newspapers, television, social media, etc. And it is always advantageous to have everyone expressing opinions about the local environment. By expressing our opinion in matter about environmental changes, we can bring changes in our surroundings, which is beneficial to the society. Now, just as we have a role to play in the society for decision making, we can also become part of public decision making. Children, we all know that the government which we elect make decisions regarding public matters. But when we feel that the decision taken by our elected representative are not proper or are wrong, we should register our opinion and thereby becoming a part of public decision making. All these points tell us that we have a role to play in public decision making. Now, here some statements are given. Children, you have to choose the right action which is done by the people. Either you can raise your hand to give answer, or you can write the number of the statement, the correct statement, number of that statement you can write in the chat box. See the first statement. Tanvi borrowed a digest from Sachin. After she finished using it, she returned it. Second statement. Rohan broke a table. However, he told his mother that his brother broke it. Number 3. Nandini took the purse she found in a rickshaw to the police station. Now tell me, which one is the right action done by people? And as I told you, either you can raise your hand or you can write the answer in the chat box. Come on, children. Which one is the right action? Which one is the right action, children? Which one is the right action, children? Very good. First one. Any other? Any other right action?
Third.
Third. Very good. Correct. The first and the third statement shows the right action done by the people. Now, can you tell me which value we learn from these two statements? Which value we can learn from this statement? Anybody? We have seen many values, no? I have given you some examples of values. So which value we can learn from this statement?
Second.
I am asking which value we learn from the statement. Nobody? Which value we learn? Honesty, we learn tolerance, or we learn patience. Which value we learn from this? You told the right answer. So which value we learn from the statement?
Patient.
Patience? No.
बोलिए ना patient.
Anybody? See, when you borrow something from your friend and after finished using it, you return. So that means what you are doing? You are honest. You are honest. So the value which we learn from this statements is honesty.
Honesty.
Which value we learn from this statement? Honesty. Now, what is honesty? What is honesty? Honesty is speaking the truth and acting truthfully. See, if you have to hide what you have done or what you are doing just because you will get in trouble, that means you are probably not being honest. You are being dishonest.
Is that start?
Now, there are always advantages being honest in our personal life. Now, let's see the advantages of honesty in personal life. Children, we do many different things every day. Sometimes we make mistakes. Everybody make mistakes. When we realize that we have made a mistake, what should we do? We should first talk to our friends openly.
Yeah.
Then we can also talk to our family members also.
Family members.
And by doing this, we learn to be honest. And we can find a way to correct our mistakes.
Yes.
So, talking openly about our mistakes always help us to correct our mistakes.
Yes.
It is also necessary, children, to be honest and sincere in our work. Because if you are honest and sincere in your work, so honesty and sincerity helps to develop trust and gain respect for you. Students, if you are sincere in your study, your teacher will trust you and will give you respect also. Not only in our work, we have to honest with our friends and family members too. If you are honest in your relationships, you can make your relationship healthy and full of trust. Dishonesty, which is opposite to the honesty. Dishonesty and cheating always leads to loss in self-confidence. Means if you are not honest or if you are dishonest, you will not get confidence in yourself. If you are honest in all aspects of life, you will never get in trouble and thereby develop self-confidence. Honesty always gives you good thought also. Now, like in personal life, we have to honest in public life also. Now, for example, if we travel on a train or bus without ticket, what will happen? Our public transport will run at loss and would soon have to shut down. If each person buys a ticket honestly, or this problem will not arise. That means honesty can give us better public services and facilities. Now, honesty helps to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. How? Honesty can bring discipline in public life as everyone tries to help the others. It also helps to do work quickly as there will not be any corruption and thereby increase efficiency in. Due to honesty, no one would cheat anyone and do any kind of scam. In this way, it can reduce crime also. Now, because of all these advantages, honesty is always said to be best policy. It's a key of success. Everyone respect honest person. So students, make honesty your strength. Now, there are 4 teams in your class. Each team has to do one task. Now tell me, which of the following action will help the team to complete the task successfully? First, half team members work while rest half do not do any work. Second, all team members compete with each other to do better work. Third, all team members work in cooperation with each other. And fourth, team members keep fighting about the work given to them. Now, tell me, children, which statement or which value is important for any team to get success? According to you, which team will get success? Team number 1, team number 2, team number 3, or team number 4?
Number 2.
Number 2. In number 2, the members are competing with each other. Which team will get success? Which team will get success? Come on, children. It's very easy. Which team will get success? The team which we... yes, very good. Team members work in cooperation with each other. Team in which the members work in cooperation with each other will get the success. Now from this, what we learn? That cooperation is important for any team to get success. Now, what is cooperation? Cooperation is working or acting together for common goal. It is opposite of working in competition for selfish benefit. Means when you cooperate with each other, there is no selfish benefits. Cooperation is always advantageous in personal life. How? Now, if there is cooperation in family, it can reduce family dispute and create positive environment. Because there is no fight now. If you cooperate with each other, there will not be any fight. Cooperation in family helps to lead peaceful life and reduce fights. And unnecessary argument also not there in the family. And this will improve the efficiency of work. Children, we all do household work. While doing any household work, we are supposed to share work with our family members. If we help each other, then only we can live our life happily, because distribution of household work make our life happy. Now, in games also, cooperation is necessary. Cooperation among team members in sports improves the game. It can also help to win the game. Now, in game like football, kabaddi, cricket, more the players cooperate with one another, the better is their game. Even they can win the game also by cooperation. Children, instead of keeping the feeling of cooperation restricted to sports, we should bring it into public life also. Because everyone needs cooperation in public life. Now, let's see how cooperation is advantageous in public life. Cooperation in public places ensures smooth and fast working. For example, on bus stop or bus depot, if all people cooperate with each other and stand in a queue, then they can smoothly and easily get into the bus without any rush. Even organizing events like Ganpati, Navratri, etc. is possible only when people cooperate. Without people cooperation, such a big event is not possible to organize. Public events like fairs, rallies, gatherings can be possible to arrange only when people cooperate with each other and work as a team. Cooperation can help in growth of the nation also. Now, for example, if all cooperate to keep their surrounding clean, what will happen? We can easily achieve Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which is going nowadays. So children, keep your surrounding clean so that you can help in growth of the nation also. So students, finally what we understand is that we must cooperate with each other in family as well as in public life. Now, see this picture. It's a dialogue between two classmates. The boy in the picture don't like the behavior of his classmates, Samir and Savita. And so he is not ready to include them in their group for the trip. But the other girl explains him not to leave them out of group by telling good qualities of Samir, Savita. In another picture, you can see that other girls in support. They also explains him about benefit of including Samir and Savita in the trip. Now, after this explanation by his classmates, the boy now agrees with the opinion of the girls and is now ready to include Samir and Savita in the trip. Now, the value which we learn from these dialogues is tolerance. What is tolerance? Respecting the opinions of others which are different from our own opinion is called tolerance. It is not necessary that opinions which we have is same other have. Students, we all have some faults. We can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. We may not agree with each other every time. Sometimes there are disagreements even between our friends and family members. Now, at such time, what we must do? We must try to understand the point of view of others instead of insisting that our point of view is correct. Now, on such occasion, we must listen to other person also. Now, by listening other person, we can learn to be more tolerant. In short, respecting everyone's opinion makes us broad-minded. In our country, people from various religions, creed, cultures, and following different customs live. Respecting people and their opinions, irrespective of their color, caste, religion, gender, age, or any other physical quality is necessary. What does that mean? That means diversity can be preserved through tolerance. Diversity enriches our social life, and we can solve many problems in our surrounding by being broad-minded. So, being tolerant, we can avoid many problems since we respect everyone's opinion. Children, here some actions given which shows the value of tolerance and broad-mindedness. Now you have to select the right action. Which one is right action that shows value of tolerance? First, being friends with people of any caste, kicking a street dog because it is barking, celebrating festivals with people of all religions and caste, keeping separate utensils for servant at home. Now students, tell me which actions is showing the value of tolerance. Which action is showing the value of tolerance, children? Which action is showing value of tolerance? First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Come on, children.
First one.
Very good. First one, being friends with people of any caste. This shows that you are tolerant to people of any caste. Any other? Any other actions which shows value of tolerance? No, not second. You told being friends with people of any caste, that is correct answer. Any other action? Third. Very good. Very good. Means when you celebrate festival with people of all religions and caste, that means you are tolerant. So these two statements or these two actions shows the value of tolerance. Now, children, most of the times people treat others in specific way if they are male or female. For example, girls are taught cooking from an early age, but boys are not. Boys are not taught cooking from early age. Most of the times in our mind, we have some roles for male and female. For example, we imagine a nurse. We always imagine a nurse to be a female. We can't imagine male as nurse. Now, boys, girls, men, women are all equal as human beings. All are human beings. Considering all human beings equal, without any discrimination is called gender equality, because male and female is gender. And when you consider male and female equal, so that value is known as gender equality. Boys and girls, they both should know, or they both should taught all basic skills like cooking, stitching, cleaning at early age. Even boys, both boys and girls should be given same kind of education. Females should not be forced to marry at an early age. Like boys, they should be free to choose their career. By giving similar toys to both boys and girls during their childhood, we can treat boys and girls in a similar manner. Now, by doing all these things, we can promote gender equality at our home. We can promote gender equality in public life. How? By respecting women and not teasing them, by making public spaces safe for women to use at any time, and by understanding the needs and requirements of people of all gender, we can promote gender equality in public life also. Now, students, some statements are given. You have to tell me which positive statement will help to maintain gender equality. Means from which statement it gives the value of gender equality. Number one, make fun of girls for not being physically strong. Second, pay equal salary to both men and women for same kind of jobs. Number third, make bad statements about girls for wearing modern dresses. And number fourth, involve both boys and girls in all kinds of work from early age. Now tell me, which is a positive statement which help us to maintain gender equality? Number one, number two, number three, or number four? Number two, yes, correct. By paying equal salary to both men and women for same kind of job, this statement shows the value of gender equality. Any other statement, children? Which help you to maintain gender equality? Any other statement?
11-20 को खत्म होता
Children,
बैठना
instead of talking among yourself, give me answer.
हमारी आवाज जा रही है टीचर को
Which one?
टीचर को जा रही है
Hello? Which statement help to maintain gender equality? Come on, children, give the fourth. Very good, correct. Involve both boys and girls in all kinds of work from early age, correct. Any other statement?
First name, make a fun girls should not begin a physical strong.
Any other statement? Come on, children. Any other statement?
First.
No. Make fun of girls for not being physically strong. This statement not shows gender equality. This statement don't show gender equality. If you are making fun of girls, that means there is gender equality. Come on, only one is left. Third, no. Make bad statements About girls for wearing modern dresses? Second, correct, very good. Pay equal salary to both men and women for same kind of job. This is positive statement which help to maintain gender equality. Very good, children. So students, we have seen that values help us live a happy life. It guides our thoughts, words, and actions. It also helps us to grow and develop. Values gives us an understanding of right and wrong. So it's very important to learn these values for our better life. Now, we have finished with the lesson. Give me the answer. Children, give me the answer. What is right and what is wrong? One should not take part in public decision making. Is it right or wrong? One should not take part in public decision making. It is right or wrong? Come on, children. We have seen what is this. Wrong. Correct. We should take part in public decision making. Correct. If we are dishonest, second statement, if we are dishonest, we lose our self-confidence. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? If we are dishonest, we lose our self-confidence.
Wrong. Right.
Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
No.
Right.
Right. Yes. If you are dishonest, you will lose your self-confidence. And if you are honest, you will gain self-confidence. So this statement is right. Okay, third one. Let's see third one. Diversity enriches our social life. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
It is wrong. Diversity enriches our social life. We have seen. Right, yes. Diversity always enriches our social life. Okay. Now, see the fourth one. See the fourth one. Diversity can be preserved through intolerance. Is it right or wrong? Diversity can be preserved. Children, right, very good. Because, sorry, it's not right. Diversity can be preserved through intolerance. Is it right? We have seen na diversity. How diversity can be preserved, we have seen na? Wrong. Correct. Because diversity can be preserved through tolerance. Now the last one. This is very easy. I expect answer in one attempt. Okay? Boys and girls should know basic life skills. Is it right or wrong? Boys and girls should know basic life skills. Yes, it is right. Whether boy or girl, everyone should know basic life skills. Now, children, you have one assignment to do. You have to prepare slogans on gender equality. You can find these slogans on internet also. Even you can find the slogans written on public spaces. So prepare slogans on gender equality and show it to your teacher. So children, thank you very much. Hello, Vavesh sir, my lesson is over.